Hello, my dear lovely children. Welcome to ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. So, as you are aware, this is my YouTube channel, and where you guys can able to understand and succeed in your life about the mathematics subject. Okay, so maths is very simple. As I says, it's a mirror, and definitely you will be having a great future if you learn the mathematics. The reason is very simple. Each and every day you need a mathematics compulsory in your day-to-day activities and your examination and your curriculum whatever you are studying, and in future you need maths compulsory if you are planning to attend any kind of competitive exams like UPSC, civil service or KPSC, whatever it's related to state or central government examination for the job. Okay, you may be belongs to India, not exactly with the any state. State may be any, maybe if you belongs to Indian, then any state examination will be conducted. Then also there is no problem if you learn the maths. It's not specifically like mentioned to only the particular Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Assam or whatever the state. Okay. Maths everywhere is remain the same if you go across the world. Fine. That's why I like maths. Maths is my favorite subject. I might have already told you. Anyways, let's come back to the discussion. If you are missing something in a day, then definitely you will be not losing anything. But if you miss me and my YouTube channel, then definitely you will be missing one question or two questions in a day and 20 minutes your precious time. So I expect you to don't waste at least 20 minutes time. You make it the premier time or your favorite time to watch my ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. Right? So let us start with the date 6 and question number 57 and 58. As you are aware, since the 2 days we are solving the two questions in a same video. So let's I will complete today 57 and 58, and date is 6th. 57. And so this is what the question is. Let us understand what is the question is demands and what is the condition is there in the question paper. Based on that we can solve it, and later we will plan how we can come up with the solution with very simple method. The 57 question says the multiply of 7 between the the multiple of 7 between 14 and 77. Okay, question is very simple and answer also is simple, but slightly it's a confusion. You should not get confused. That's what you have to do. Okay, so between 14 to 77, how many sevens are will be comes in between these two numbers? Let us see the option A to D. Okay, A, B, C, D. So option A is how much? Can B is 987. So this is what the options. As I told you many times, comparing to previous 2010 question paper, 2011 is quite simple. Okay, it's easy questions what they are asking, and definitely you can able to understand and you can solve it with very easy method. Okay, here there is no big rocket science or there is no big deal to make it get like scared, or if you think I'm unable to get the answer. If you know 1, 2, 3 as a first standard student, then you can able to answer for this question. Okay, so it is not a rocket science as it says, and it's not very difficult also. It's very easy. I'll make you to understand in very different way with very simple method. So it starts from 14. Okay, the first 7 comes in 17. Fine. Second 7 comes in 27. So I am writing the numbers to match the option. That's why I am writing here. Okay, you should be have a clarity. You should not have the confusion. That's why you should do that. Fine. While writing 1. Okay. So next number will be 47. That is fourth. Again 57. That is 5 numbers. 5 sevens. 1 7, 2 7, 3 7, 4 7, 5 7. Okay. Next number is 67. That is the sixth 7. Now, what is the last number is 77. That is 7 and 8. Because this is 7 and this is 8. So here we have a two numbers. Here one was there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So totally how many numbers are there? 8 sevens are there. See the beauty of the maths. That's why I says maths is always it's a mirror. Okay, you no need to do any by heart or anything. You no need to remember a lot of things. You can just remember the logic, and you should remember the way the questions they are asked, and you have to be understand on that. If you can able to understand properly the question, then you won't be having any confusion, because the question is very simple. The multiple means how many times of sevens. Okay, multiple time of the sevens between from where to where, 14 to 77. So what we had done, we had started from the 41 till 77. So 47, 14 after that, when it comes the 7, it comes in the 17. So net comes in 27. The next 7 is comes in 37. Next is 47, 57, 67, and the last number is 77. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means we have a total 8 sevens between 14 and 77. That is why our answer is option C. The total sevens is 8. Very simple. Maths is very simple. Don't get hesitate to learn the maths, and don't get scared to learn the maths, and don't tell somebody maths is not my favorite subject and I really hate the subject and it's very difficult to learn. Where is the learning is difficult? If you know tables 2 to 20, and if you know certain ideas with the logic, and you should have minimum common sense to understand the question. Based on that you can able to answer, because question is there clarity, answer is there in between this, and in itself you can make it in the finger itself. No need to write this and waste your time. Okay, you can say 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67. Okay, 77 is having a 2. That means 2, 3, 5, 3, 8. Clear? That's all. Very simple. Fine. So let us we move with the question number 58. What kind of question it is, and what is the logic is going to be applied for that, and what we can make our new ideas to, or innovative ideas to solve the question. Got my point? So let us start with that to understand what is the next question. Okay. Question number 58. Fine. Let's begin with the question number 58. So what 58 question it says us to do the calculation. See, this is a conversion kind of calculation is there. It's a totally different. Here you should not get confused again, because this is a slightly confusion question. I'll tell you how it is. Convert 4 meters. What is this? Okay, convert 4 meters. Convert 4 meters 2604 centimeters. Centimeter into cm. That is centimeter. Got it. Question is very simple. Convert 4 meters and I'll make it as and then you will be having a clarity. Convert 4 meters and 2604 centimeters into centimeters. That means this entire thing you have to convert into centimeters. Okay. So let us see the option, then we'll go with the answers or solution we can find out. A, B, C, D. So A stands for 3040 cm. Okay, and 3400, then 3004, then 6604. So this is the answer. So it's very difficult you to think how we can do this and solve it the question. See here, the simple logic is you have to understand 1 meter is equal to how many cm. So based on that you can make a calculation. Okay. So I'll make you to understand once again. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? If you know this logic, then it's very easy for you to understand how you can solve it. Fine. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So what some students they does 1000 centimeter. Rather than mentioning 100 centimeter, this is 1000 centimeter. That means if you divide 1000 to this, then your entire the calculation and the plan is going to be collapse. So you won't be having a clarity to do that. That's why what I can suggest you just have this clarity. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter, how many centimeters is equal to 1 meter. You just practice that. Like 1 kilometer is equal to how many miles, or 1 ml or 1 kilo is equal to how many grams. Fine. So these all length, weight and the measurement, everything should be very perfect. Then you won't be having any chances to get the confusion, or your question never goes wrong anytime anywhere. If you attend any kind of examination, whether IAS, IPS, KS or whatever the examination, competitive examination, so if you are going to attend, then there won't be a chances to you lose the marks. Okay. So what we will do is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means 4 meters and 2604 centimeters. Let us calculate this 4 meter is clear is equal to how much? 400 meters. 4 meters is equal to 400 meters. Now what we have to do is we have to divide 2604 divided by 100. I am going to divide this. Let us understand what will get the answer. Based on that we can make it the addition of here. Okay, so 100 twos are 200, 0, 6, 0. So we are taking down 4. So 100 6 ja 600, then 4 0 0. So here we have a single digit. That means we have to put the dot. That 0 comes. So here 100 is there, here 400 is there. So we cannot divide 100 to 400. Then what we will do is we will just put the 0 to get one more 0. Fine. 100 4 is 400. 0 0. So there is no remainder. Okay. So how much is this? 26.04 cm. Okay. And here how much we got? 4 meters. So now we can add it 3004. Yes. So this is the answer. I'll just repeat once to make you to understand clearly. Okay. Convert 4 meters and 2604 centimeters into centimeters. Clear? So this is the question. What we know, what we have learned earlier, we have learned 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Fine. So here we have a 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. Clear? So here what we are doing is what we are doing? We are doing the division option. We have a 2604 centimeter which we are going to divide by 100. Why we are dividing by 100 only? That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. The question says the entire whatever the number is there, you just convert into centimeter. Okay, this 4 meter is there, we have taken as a 4 meter, and this centimeter is there, we are converting into again centimeter. Fine. So while dividing 100 to the 200, then again we got 0, 6, 2 minus 2 is 0. Again we tried for a, we have taken the 4 down. 100 6 ja 600, 4 remain the same, 0, 0 minus 0 is 6. So we got only 4. Once you put the dot here, how much you will get? You will get a 0 only 1 0. To go extend, because 100 is greater than 40. So we cannot divide. That means if you want to divide, then it should be 400 or more than 100, at least 101. Okay. So 400 zeros are again we mention 0, 100 for the 400. So here we got how much? 2604 is the centimeter, and this 4 I kept directly because as you are aware we got the 400, 100 4 is 400. So it's only 4. So after dot nothing is there. Just I mentioned as a 0, 0. So that means it is just 4 and this is a 26. It's 4 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 6 is 10. In 10 we kept 0. 1 is the balance, that is remainder. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3004. 3004 is the answer. That's all. Everything is there on the board. It's a mirror only. There is no doubt at all. Clear? The mirror is having the clarity of this, and this is called a match. The beautiful subject in the world is the match, because none of the subject can provide you the information on the board with the question and answer. Question will be there on the board, but you have to be think answer from the book or from wherever you studied, or else you have to remember, you have to recall, you have to think it, which subject, which page it was, which lesson it was, what exactly you have studied. This all headache will be there. But in mathematics, if you know the question, if you get the option, definitely will get option, and questions will be there. In questions, you should understand the tricks, what tricks they are asking, and basically you should know this is very important. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, not 1000 centimeter. That you should understand. 1 inch is equal to 25.4 centimeter. That you should understand. Okay, if you can able to understand, then you won't be having a problem with the calculation. Once the bigger number comes calculation, then you have to divide with the 100, then you will get this kind of round figures. In the round figure, you have to add it. Based on that addition, you will get a final answer. In that final answer, out of 4 options, one answer will be definitely match. It's 100%. There is no doubt at all. Fine. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed the class and you are learning every day and you are doing great things day by day. So I am really happy to hear that you people are watching my video YouTube and ANUBHAVA SAARA channel every day without missing. So I expect you to do that, and you are doing without missing. Okay. So just what I can suggest to you is you start refer some of your friends and relatives, neighbors who were in the any like classes. It may be first to 10 or plus 2 or degree or any higher education. It's no problem, because these maths will be applicable to any higher level of the competitive examination with state and central, as I said. Okay, so let's finish the session today, and we'll go with the next session tomorrow, maybe on 7th. Today is 6th. Okay, till that, keep watch my YouTube channel ANUBHAVA SAARA. Bye, see you. I'll catch you in the next video.